All right, what's on the bench? I ordered some PC boards. Now, PCBWay gives me all the PC boards I want for free, but I wanted to be like a normal consumer, and with my own money, I bought some boards, and I want to kind of tell you why. Now, I bought these boards, and I got some number of boards for about $4.95, and then shipping was like another $4 and something. Anyway, the total order was $9.80. Okay, so I took the very, very slowest shipping, which is the very, very cheapest shipping. Okay, when you order boards, you can choose the shipping. Normally, when I get my boards for free, I get like 3-day shipping for free. But this is the normal long shipping. Now, I ordered the boards on January 7th, and I just received them on the 19th. So that was 12 days. So 12 days from start to finish, and I got boards. And the reason that I did these boards was I was I was on DigiKey or something, and they had these boards, and I thought, well, that's a really good idea. I'll buy some of those. They had them for sale, and they were like, oh, what were they? They were like $4 each, or I forget, something like that. Okay, these little boards. Well, when you order boards, also see how many boards you can get for their minimum charge. I got 30 boards. I got 30 boards for $4.95. So 30 boards for $9.80 delivered to my door. That's just nuts. Okay. So yeah. So anyway, the PC boards are just so dirt cheap these days. Let me show you these little boards and why I wanted them. Okay, so these are the little adapter boards. Now, I already had adapter boards. These are for SO. These are for SO16s. Are these for? Did I design them for 14s? Yeah, these are SO14s. I have a board already that is an SO16 board. Now these are dirt cheap. Also, you get these for pennies on the dollar. But I already had these, and I used them for my little AT-Tiny. This is an AT-Tiny 814, and I'm using it on the Proto board. Now the problem with this board, this adapter board, is it's very wide. Okay, it has another one underneath there, but yeah, it's very wide, and so on Proto boards, kind of area is at premium, and so you're wasting a bunch of space. Now, this little board here will be the normal width of a normal TTL package, and then the little board will hang off the side there. So now I've got the maximum number of pins to use on the Proto board. Okay, so I think you get the idea. Yeah, so I can save at least 0.2 inches off this thing. Anyway, that's why I got it. I'm going to load some of these up with my little AT-Tinys to use on these Proto boards, and I'll have more area. This one's kind of getting cramped because I lose space on my Proto board. So yeah, there you go. And I went ahead and ordered these 1 millimeter thick, just because I thought that was a better size for the size of the board. These often feel a bit too I don't know, fat, too thick, but these little 1 millimeter boards. So yeah, $9.80 for 30 boards. 30. Yeah, that's really crazy. Anyway, yeah, fun little thing for the day.